Award artist, 3 times laureate of International Literature Awards, a book author as well, and president of Toronto Home Club, Galaxy Decor, and International Association of St. Petersburg Friends.
Namaste, Zita from Happy Diwali. My name is Alex Zilov. I'm the decorator and designer of Indian temples. Today, thank you very much. Namaste and God bless India. Hello, namaste everybody. Just maybe a year ago, we came in this place, it was no floor, nothing on the walls, and I'm happy that this place become now a capital of the Indian restaurants, at least in Ontario. I don't see nothing comparable. The most recognizable is Taj Mahal. It's a marble, it's unbelievably beautiful, and of course my dream is to go there. Temple, which is a connected museum of Indian civilization, and I did a big one with galaxies, comets, and so on. On the right side of this is the Earth, our planet, and the Moon. So it was 2018 when I did 6 rooms in the Vishnu Temple. So today we do one of the most beautiful theater rooms in the city, and the cosmos is the subject, and I dedicate this room to the cosmonauts days. Indian art mostly affected and impacted by different religions, of course Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, and Sikhism. There is also Jainism. So when you see Indian art, it's really kind of, the result of what people. It's so emotional. Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us in celebrating Indian art, architecture, and cosmology through the eyes of Alex Dimovie and Galaxy Decor.